group home. That's so funny. Hi! Hello guys, I'm coming to you from the bustling streets of Delhi in India. Today I'm going to be going around Old Delhi. It's very busy, but I'm going to be tasting the street food. One of the key things I want to go back and try, because I've been in Delhi one time before, is the parathas. I'm here with Charlotte and Julian, two people that I've been traveling with. We are going to sample some of the food, but it is crazy busy. Look at this. It is insanely busy. I don't know if there's something on today, but wow. That way, okay. This way?
Yeah, down here and then right.
There are all sorts of traffic. Alright, Snacks Corner. I think we're about a 5-minute walk away. The traffic couldn't even come down here, so that's quite something. At this point we have been travelling India for 2 weeks. We've gone all the way around Rajasthan, all the way back to Delhi, and this is our last day in Delhi, so we are trying to make the most of it. We're quite used to, I would say, the traffic and the busyness of the streets now, but it still doesn't mean it's any less overwhelming. It's indescribable. I would say it's only something you can experience in India. It's really insane. Oh, we've got to cross. We've got to cross, guys. Episode 25 of crossing the road in India.
Yeah, we definitely have to.
Oh my god, okay. All right.
It's easy, right?
Charlotte's going for it. Oh my god, Charlotte. Go, 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 go. Next level.
Part 1. No, I don't want to do level 2.
Level 2.
No, level 1 was bad enough. No level 2. Look, we got this, we got this.
Okay, success. Basically just part the seas. Hello. Hello. Look how busy the streets are, honestly. Hold on. They have everything, they really do. Shoe stores, jewelry stores. So we're aiming for parathas and samosas at least. My goodness, it is busy. But I tell you what, these parathas are worth it. Parathas, in case you didn't know, is like fried goodness filled with anything you want, and it is delightful in every single way. Look at these. I think that there is pani churi, and they're basically puff pastry that they fill with, like, again, goodness. But some of them you have to be careful because some of them are cooked in either oil or water that isn't great, so you do have to be careful because it might give you jelly belly. Which, fingers crossed, I've been in India for 2 weeks. I've not had jelly belly. So amazing. I eat lots of spice back home. Maybe it's done me well. Might try the chili one today, see how I go. But last time we were in Delhi, it was during Diwali. I actually think the streets are busier today than during Diwali. This is so busy. Look. It is a sea of people. Let's do. They look like they've got delicious cookies over there. It's busy. So busy. Absolutely insane. It's quite warm in here as well because there's food being cooked either side. Look. Absolutely crazy. And this side, look. Okay, we're on to the next leg of the journey now. Got so busy in that corridor. It's aired out slightly.
These are the biscuits we had.
Do
you want some?
Yes, I would love a biscuit.
Yeah, should we get
so,
how many do you want?
these are Indian biscuits, right? Yeah, we want some biscuits, sorry. Let's go for biscuits.
How many do
why
you want?
not?
2 each?
Yeah,
6?
why not? Why not?
Okay,
2
I'm just
each.
gonna go.
Go on, Charlotte, go for it. Be free. Sorry, we're going for biscuits.
Yeah, how much?
60 rupees 300 grams.
For how many cookies?
Let's get a whole batch of them. I'd probably take some back with me.
Yeah.
They look delicious. I'm excited. Why am I feeling water on me?
Yeah, I felt water too.
Yes, boss.
How many are in there? Yeah. Oh, he does it. Like, can you see whatever that is?
Yeah, fine. Cool. We can always come back past this way.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Oh, they're warm.
They are delish. Warm.
Thank you very much.
Oh my goodness. They smell banging. I'm excited. We found it. It is busy.
That's not the one.
I think that is the one.
They were looking on the right hand side of it.
It's that one then.
That's the one.
Found it. Parathas. We have been waiting to get these parathas for 2 weeks because we had them before and they were amazing. Oh my gosh, dapper dog. Look at this cute doggo. Hey, Paparoonie. Right, let's see if we can get a space in here. That's the question. We might have to wait a little bit. We can look at the menu, decide what we want. So, sorry, it's very flickery in here, but we have just sugar, chili, cashew, almond, banana, raisin, paneer potato, cauliflower, sorry, carrot, mixed veg, okra, cottage cheese, mint, lemon, tomato, cheese. There is a lot. There's something for everyone. I'm so sorry about this light flickering everywhere. But we're waiting for Abra. Well, we're waiting for C to eat Abra. You know the food is good when there is a queue to get a seat in the venue. This is a famous parathas place and it's so good. I'm about to show you how it is. I've also just had a biscuit off camera because I couldn't order anything and it was banging. Right.
There's like a weird line of us.
That's fine. We're in a line. Charlotte's in.
I'm in.
Hello. Okay, we're waiting for our food. It comes with bits and like this. You will see it very shortly. And it is amazing. So excited. But it's kind of quite cute because you all sit together. We've got some ladies opposite us, family over there, a Charlotte here, a Julian here. Right, our plates have arrived and they've got all the bits. I've put my hair up so no one eats my hair because it's too long for this. Look, we have banana.
England.
Hello. Spicy ones, sweet ones. Honestly, they're all great. This one is a veg paratha, mixed veg paratha, which was one of my favourite sauces. But we've got a few we have to try before. Mixed veg was my favourite last time. It's so good.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Is this place famous in India?
Yeah, this is famous for parathas.
Famous for parathas.
Yes.
It's so busy, that's why.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. When we ordered, we asked for 4 plates. And he was like, maybe just try 3 first. And we were like, no, 4. We know what we like.
Hello, potato.
Thank you. Could we also get a Coke? Can of Coke? A Coke? Coca-Cola? A can of Coke? A can of Coke? Thank you.
One or two?
One. Thank you. Alright gang, I'm trying to find the Google Maps link so you guys can come here. Excuse me, is this place?
Yeah, paratha wali good.
It is?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Ask for later. Okay, so it turns out that the guy was correct and our eyes were bigger than our bellies because we've had to take a roadie. We couldn't finish it. But it was amazing. Oh my goodness. So we are heading into Busyville again. Have a look. Hello. 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 I'm dropping my water bottle. It's so busy. Hi. It's crazy. There's the biscuits from earlier. Hello. I think we're off to try and find a samosa place, although we're all quite full. So whether we're going to fit in a samosa, I don't know. Oh god, this bit looks very, very busy. Guys, look at this. I'm not looking forward to it. I might have to hold on and put you guys down for a second. I'm just holding on. There's another paratha shop right here. Sorry, you're so close to my face because it's so crowded. Look. It is insanely busy. Right, let me show you here. That's what we're in. And it's probably like 35 degrees today. We're coping well though. Like I say, we've been in India like 2 weeks, so we know what we're doing. My hair is up though. It's hot. Oh, it's a little baby. Hi! Have a group home. That's so funny. That's so cute. Chaos. Absolute chaos. There's more food over. Oh! Everyone is very friendly, I can't lie, even though it's chaos. I'm through! Survived! Water bottle still in hand.
You're so hungry.
Absolutely crazy.
Hey?
This is insane. Why is it so busy today? Hi!
Oh, it's weekend.
Oh, maybe that's why. So maybe it's just because it's the weekend, Charlotte thinks, that it's so busy, because this is insane.
Yeah, I can't get to that place.
We are in a sea of people. Hey.
You ready?
All right, I'm ready. I'm ready. I think I'm ready. We're going into this. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Definitely hitting local life like never before. There's like rickshaws floating around over there. Been on a rickshaw a few weeks ago. Oh god. So 26 of crossing the road in India. Oh my goodness. This is what it's like.
Up with the...
Go, 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 go!
Oh my god. Just walk with confidence, with confidence. Whew.
Yes, team.
We made it, we made it. I still think it was worth it for the parathas though. Okay, making our way back through the streets of Delhi on a Saturday. So that is probably why it's so busy. Never mind Diwali. Crazy. I got lost on my own, I can't lie.